Smart, humorous, civilized. This is the Daily Wrap from the Wall Street Journal with Michael Kastner.
The Daily Wrap continues. Michael Kastner with you. Fascinating story out of Florida. Check this out. It's a lawsuit over a lottery ticket. It's in Marion County because a woman claims she won a $500,000 prize, but the lottery won't give her the money. Why? They say there was a misprint on the ticket. Joining us right now is Larry Walters, constitutional attorney based in Florida, and he has the website firstamendment.com. How is this possible? What's the deal? There's a misprint, either the numbers on the ticket or not.
Well, that's exactly right, and that's what we're saying, that this is not a misprint so much as the lottery is just failing to honor their contract that they made with the purchaser of the lottery ticket. And we have this gold rush scratch-off game here in Florida, which says match the numbers on your ticket and win the prize that's shown. And it's fairly clear that that's the terms of the contract. Our client had a number 1, which corresponded to a $500,000 prize, and she presented the ticket, and the lottery said, "Oh, I'm sorry, we can't pay on this. This is a misprint."
Now, how do they basically scan it? Is that correct? It's sort of like a two-portion identifier, like you've got the ticket, but then there's also a barcode. Is that it?
Yeah, there's some secret code or a set of numbers, a serial number that they've input and determine whether or not this particular ticket, according to their system, should be shown as a winner. Our position is, it doesn't matter what your system says. It matters what the ticket says, and our client paid the $20. She should be entitled to the prize if the ticket says she won.
Well, yeah, this is something that I don't get, Larry, is that if your client has this ticket, you take a look at any of these TV ads in any state across the country, they don't say, and you get if you get the lucky number and the secret code, then you're going to win the big jackpot. It doesn't say that in any ad. And how do I know what your secret code is? That has nothing to do with the number that she scratched off. And the other thing, too, that I'm kind of curious about is, have there been forensics to show that this was not a forgery or whatever, so she's in the clear?
Yes, the lottery has never taken the position that this is a fraudulently issued ticket or that there was any forgery or anything like that. They've admitted that there's a certain number of misprints that occur. They have claimed that this ticket is a misprint. We don't know if that's accurate or not. All we know is that the ticket shows that she won. To the extent that the lottery knew that they were issuing misprinted tickets and still took the risk and did so anyway, then we believe that standard contract law should say that they should pay the money. And no other business would ever get away with doing this. If somebody tried to operate a casino or a gambling boat and not pay a player, they would never get away with it. The advertising laws and the trade practices laws that apply to any other business should apply when the lottery starts delivering commercial products to people of the state of Florida.
We're talking with Larry Walters. He's a constitutional attorney based in Florida. He represents a woman who says, "Hey, where's my money? I've won the lottery." What's the next step for you guys? I hope you go in front of a jury, because I can't imagine one single jury member who's not going to say, "Yeah, that could be me. Give her the money."
Well, that's we suspect that the lottery knows that that's the case.
Yeah.
So they've done everything possible to try to prevent us from getting information and getting this to a jury. They fought over a year already in 2 different courts to prevent us from getting even the first document relating to this issue. And remember, in the state of Florida, these are public records. Anybody should be able to go to the Florida Lottery and say, "Hey, I want to see your printing contracts. I want to see your vendor contracts." But they won't give it to us. I don't know what they're hiding, but we finally got a court order about a week ago that the trial court said, "Look, this has gone on long enough. You need to give them the documents relating to your claims and defenses, and we'll see what happens."
You can just see the ads now. The Florida Lottery. Scratch and win. Maybe. Larry Walters, constitutional attorney based in Florida. His website is firstamendment.com. Larry, always good to have you on the show. Thanks for being with us.
Happy to be here.